The UFC lightweight division bout.
You ready to fight? Ready.
All right, we are underway with this stand-up only fight. As we remind you of the rule set here, no grappling or wrestling of any type. Fighters also cannot do any follow-up strikes on the floor. May the best man win, and we are underway.
Good job of timing this combination of strikes here.
Oh, he's hurt! All right, well, he gets back to his feet here, Joe, but he looks like he is in a world of trouble.
Oh, he's landed some good shots here.
Oh!
He's trying to hang on. Oh!
Both guys landing big shots. The left hook hits home. Oh! Huge
Big right
right hand!
hand. Back up to his feet. Oh! There's a nice inside leg kick.
He's got him hurt here.
Nasty combinations here.
Oh, doing a damn good job with those leg kicks, Joe. And now you'll start to see his opponent slow down. And he lands a nice kick. Diaz's leg appears to be hurt here, Joe. That is an obvious leg.
More great kicks from him.
Another knockdown!
Oh! What a leg kick. He's back to his feet.
Like
He's
he's done him a little bit. Oh! This fight.
Oh! He left him.
He's out!
Tremendous hook, landed flush for the victory.
Yeah, Joe, just the way he drew it up as he gets the knockout victory here tonight, it's hard to land a strike more flush than he did right there, and I'm not even sure the opponent saw it coming. So he'll see the replay and probably shake his head, but ultimately this is a huge result and a huge win for that fighter here tonight.
Let's take a look at that again. Look at this. Bang.
Well, what a moment for him here tonight. A huge knockout on one of the sport's biggest stages. That is one they'll be talking about for some time. Here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean's called to stop this contest at 2 minutes, 12 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout.
So there he is, the man of the moment. Certainly maximized the showcase here tonight, Joe. He gets a big win by way of the knockout. Certainly kept the judges out of it here tonight. Perhaps some bonus money is coming his way, but there will be no wiping the smile off of his face tonight. He will party deep into the night with his friends, his family. A huge knockout turned in by that man here tonight, and he has set himself up for a huge fight now moving forward inside the octagon.
Handle my business, leave no traces. Underestimate the boy, I'll leave you headless, necklace as a fashion statement. Let it mix with the gasoline. I say the spark was a fair warning. Look to the other side of the world, I can really go and flex in a new foreign. Fire like